If you need to sell your home fast, you're in the right place. Stay with me and I'll show you our 3-step process how to sell your home for cash. We know that selling a house can be very stressful, but it can be even more nerve-wracking if you're under severe time crunch. Whether you need to sell quickly because of job placement, financial reasons, or because of personal reasons, we have a strategy you can use to decrease your time on the market. Here's how to sell your home fast. The Rojas Group offers a new way to sell your home. There's no need to open houses or repairs. And the most important thing is you control the closing date. So let me show you 3 steps. Step number 1, you present the home to us. Very simple. Just submit a basic information about the home, pictures, inside, outside, up and down the street, across from the house, and submit that to us via email. And if it's eligible, the Rojas LLC will send you a free, no obligation offer within 3 days. So step number 2, get an offer. Our offer is based on the information you provided and specific market analysis that is done by our ARV team. Once you receive the offer, you get to analyze it and you got 3 options: accept it, counter it, or reject it. Once the offer is accepted, we will schedule an inspection. Now, in reference to the inspection, 80% of the deals that we do don't require an inspection. If your property requires an inspection, there's no money out of your pocket, so we'll pay for that. Additionally, there's no commissions paid to anybody, so you'll save that part of the transaction. No commissions paid to the realtors, because we're the buyers. Once the report is completed by our inspector and we received it in our office, and everything's in order, the proposal is finalized, and now we can move to the final step, which is step number 3. You get to choose the closing date. This is a good time. Now, selling your home will be a pleasant and positive experience. The Rojas Group LLC gives you the help that you need and be able to sell your home with no aggravation, no headaches, and no stress. My name is Carlos E. Rojas, President and founder of the Rojas Group LLC. I look forward to working with you on your property, giving you the offer, putting the deal together that makes sense to you. Our priority is your satisfaction. So we look forward to receiving your home reports so we can get back to you. We look forward to hearing from you again, and you have a great day, and God bless you. Stay safe.